better.
What happened, Benita? Watch out. You're gonna hurt yourself. Poor little bee. I mean the little bee. Not Benita bee. She's been doing this for like the last 10 minutes. Oh no, the bee's still alive. Bee. Alright, let's let him go. Let's go take him somewhere else. Hey, hey, hey. Benita, stop it. Bee, don't move my foot out of the way. I'm trying to get the bee out of the way. Hey, stop moving my foot out of the way.